Hi everyone, we are moving with our lectures in the theory of computation in the topic deterministic finite automata. We have already seen in my previous lecture one example in the deterministic finite automata. Now we are moving with our next example, that is next one is W such that W ends with the string 0, 1, 0. How we can draw this? In the previous class, I have said one easy method for drawing the DFA, that is with we having string 0, 1, 0. So I have said first arrow with 0, second arrow with 1, and third arrow with 0. And I have said to fill it with circles. So we are filling it with circle. In the last circle, we are putting the double 0, that means the end state. In the first circle, we are providing the start state. Okay, so it ends with 0, 1, 0. So I fill the arrows in the above with the string. See, first one with 0, second one with 1, third one with 0, and I fill it with the states, that is the circles here, that is mean by the states, every state, that is transiting states are saying. So in the first, it ends with 0, 1, 0. I have already said end with the string 0, 1, 0 means you can have anything in the front. In the front means in the prefix, but it must ends with 0, 1, 0. So first here 0 is going, so I can loop only 1. What do you mean by looping? I have already said that is meant by bypassing, that is 1 occur or not in the front. It is not a problem, but you must proceed with the string. What string we want? 0, 1, 0. So first 0 come. So we can check it with conditions. So this string must be accepted because it ends with what? 0, 1, 0. So I will check it. 0 comes here. There is no 0 here, so we can better it loop, because see any number of zeros here, there is no problem, or it can be bypassed. For example, this string is also ends with 0, 1, 0. That is, I am saying any zeros comes, it does not affect the condition because it ends with 0, 1, 0. So I loop it here, and again 1 comes, you can move into the next state. But when 0 comes here, that makes the change. For example, if I am giving the string like this, it does not ends with what? 0, 1, 0. It ends with 1, 0, 0. So this string must be rejected. So we can check with the negative string. When you are drawing the DFA, every time check with the strings which is not accepting. Then only you can get the correct DFA. So I have already said, when you draw a DFA, when you are going or when you are marking the states, every time check it with the negative or not satisfying condition. So here 0 here, 0 here, 1 here, then becomes 0, it is accepting. So this must not occur. So how we can check it? We can check it like that. Here 0 comes, then again 0, it must not be accepted. So we can move into the first state. Okay, if it moves to the first state, again we are checking whether 0, 1, 0 comes. It does not come, so this string is what? Rejected. So when 0 comes in the end, we can move into the first state. So what happens when 1 comes here? 1 comes here, it also must be rejected, because 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. This is to be rejected because we must not have a 1 here. We must have 0, 1, 0 must be only accepted. So this must be rejected. So what can we do? We must avoid this one. To avoid this one, we must go into the first state, because we want a pattern like this. This one is to be avoided, and we must have a pattern after that one, 0 1 0. So we must move into the first string. So that's the concept. I will again explain this with another example. You can predict another string which is not accepting. I will give one example, that is 0 0 1 1 1. This cannot be accepted. So how the DFA will look? 0 0, it goes to the, if 0 comes, this goes to the next state. You can number it, number it or not, it is not a problem. 0, then 0 comes, it is in the second state. 1 comes in the third state, then again 1 comes. This is not our pattern, so it moves to the first state. Again 1 comes, it is in the first state. So this string is not accepted. Okay, this is the DFA for the string 0 1 0. But you look in the every state, whether in the deterministic finite automata, you must look for the every state whether we have a transition for 1 and 0. Check for the first state, it has a transition for 1 and for 0. In the second state, a transition for 0 and also 1. In the third state, we have a transition for 1 and also 0. In the fourth state, we have a transition for 0 but not 1. So 1 also coming, we must move to the first state, because in the end we cannot have a 1, we must have 0 1 0. So this is the DFA for the string 0 1 0. I hope you get an understanding about this. By moving with my lectures one by one, you will get, or you will move into a state where you can draw DFA by itself. Okay, thank you.